Because you go war, you look like you forget all the rules of engagement.
All except one. When they tell you to bring a friend them.
Tony, I trust it to be two things. A snake and a cheat. You really think I'll come over here by myself? Blood thicker than water. Goliath, you remember what David did, right? Drop that. Move. It's sad to say reaching. May I give you two options? May I give you the location for your daughter and your baby mother? I go to them and be a good father to your daughter. The second option, I will have a spot there where I can bury you. You choose.
How would I live with myself and face my daughter if I run away?
I try to figure out if I'm brave or stupid. For me like you, take the first option.
May they tell you, say, me and you can't share the same universe.
José, cállate. Nunca vuelves a llamarme así. Nadie. Never call me that name again. Use Miranda. Escúchame. The shipment is in 1 week. I've been waiting to hear from him, and I did tell him to come off the grid and lay low. Hold on, I'm getting a call. I'll call you back. Hello? What? What? What just happened, Kawhi?
The way it happened fast, it's like a dream.
Yo, that brother, yeah. Mr. Money step down immediately.
Well, Bossy, is there any way we can fight? We just have to give it up, sir.
You don't see how much things the brother present in front of we. But with Mr. Money's position, him not have no talk. A criminal charges them bring up against Mr. Mullings, you know. So the best thing him can do, I step down.
So, what the next move, Bossy? Because them say we're inactive now, you know. That means we can't do nothing.
This place certainly brings back bittersweet memories.
So why did you suggest it?
Well, for one, the food is excellent. And two, I just wanted to get over the bad memories.
Is it working?
Being here with you, no assignment, no double date. Yes, it's perfect.
This is what you wanted to feel, right?
The freedom, the relaxation.
The love.
Yeah, the love.
What if I wanted us to go on an extended vacation?
A vacation sounds cool. But it's just that
What?
I couldn't leave now with all the investigation that's happening.
What me can't understand is the agency have a 80% success rate and that no count for nothing. Not when them a try lay criminal charges against we.
So I say, bossy, in find out say Sean did the other half of your house?
All that make me feel fuck up. Hey, no another time for none of we freak out. No other time for we think and think very strategic too.
Alright, bossy, what are the things them and Sam have against the agency?
The first thing is phone file them disappear mysteriously. What you mean disappear mysteriously? 2 days ago me see me a whisper file on the system.
That seem like foul play going, bossy.
This is more than foul play. Him all want try pin the container something for Mr. Mullins. Him not talk about the port of entry where the container no come through. And that of a sign off by the higher heads.
It obvious says a plan thing, you know. Cause why the minister just fall out from nowhere and start pressuring Mr. Mullins just like that?
And I just know whisper. This is over a month now. Him just did a wait and a gather him information.
Bossy, somebody attack to him. Somebody at the office. Why today? Why when we did it? And then things just missing.
I wonder for that big fat sour bread that day. Me not trust him, you know.
Remember say me that tell you that the other day, you know.
Me say, me sorry me never poison in coffee.